Yo, what's good YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Molotov by Odeal. His project just dropped, The Fall That Saved Us, and I say it's a really solid follow-up to The Summer That Saved Me. By the way, if you want to learn how to play Reason, which is the first track off of that project, go ahead and join my Patreon. It's going to be on there as a Patreon exclusive tutorial. I'm going to link my Patreon down in the description and pinned comment below, so you can check that out if you want to become a member. But as far as Molotov, this is a really simple song to play. I'm going to give you the chords, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a progression that you can use for the song. As always, timestamps are going to be down in the pinned comment and description below, so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's a preview of what the song is going to sound like. Got me asking all these questions, trying to trust you. Wanna love, but I'm tired and exhausted. I'm from Molotov, where the bitches hella coat here. I'm from Molotov, where the snitches selling dope here. Got me asking all these questions, trying to trust you. Wanna love, but I'm tired and exhausted. I'm from Molotov, where the bitches hella coat here. I'm from Molotov, where the snitches selling dope here. So as you guys can see, I have a capo on the 5th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You only need to know 3 chords for the entire song. Those 3 chords are A minor 7, E minor 7, and F major 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Second chord is E minor 7. We're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is F major 7. So we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string, 2nd fret of the G string, and 3rd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. And the chord progression is going to go like that, exactly in that order. And if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just repeat. As far as the strumming pattern goes, we're going to keep it really simple, guys. Here's an example. So I'm going to put the strumming pattern on the bottom of your screen, and I'm just going to play the chord progression. So just follow along. Here we go. So that's just an example of a strumming pattern that you can use, but like I always say, if you can think of another strumming pattern that you'd like to use for the song and it sounds great, by all means, go ahead and use that strumming pattern. You are the creator, so you have control over that, but that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them when I can. Like I said before, I do have a Patreon, so if you want to become a member, the link is going to be down below. I'd also like to invite you to follow my other social media platforms. I have Instagram and TikTok. Those will also be linked down below as well. And if you haven't subscribed here on YouTube yet, go ahead and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. There's another tutorial popping up on your screen right now, so go ahead and check that one out too. And I'll see you guys on the next video.